Anthony here from the Best in the West.
Kristen.
We're at the job we've just poured. We're going to be sandblasting it. Sean's out front. So she's going to give you a visual. It's all curing. It's still bleaching out. It's more white, bleached out where it's been in the sun. So we're going to sandblast this, hose it, show you the whole routine. What do you like about sandblast?
It's just a nice clean look and it's non-slip. It's more of like a modern, but it goes with anything. So you can do your house any color or stone or whatever. It all goes in sequence.
It's my favorite finish because like stamping, it holds dirt in it. It's uneven when you put tables on it. A couple months, it doesn't even look good, in my opinion. This look is the best look. We put the bands around everywhere. We're going to leave them smooth troweled. We're sandblasting the centers. You guys seen the look. We're going to sandblast it right now. We're going to go talk to Sean.
That's it.
Come on. Hey, we're here with Sean, sandblaster. So we're gonna do all the squares, leave the ribbon. You know the routine. It's gonna look awesome.
Mm-hmm. How old is it? The
5 days. 4 Monday. So 4.
Perfect.
So it's soft enough. What's the latest you can sandblast it at? Like how long?
I mean,
to make a nice number 3.
Yeah. I mean, I try to get it before 10 days. I'll say.
Oh, you go that long?
3 to 10 days, but 5 days. Perfect. 4 days, perfect.
So this is gonna look awesome.
Yep.
Just doing the squares. And
no bands.
We want to do don't do the band.
Okay.
We want to do the step. And
okay.
If you can hit this porch and get the paint off, it'll be great.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah, should fly off.
Yeah, and just hit this a little bit. Just don't hit. You're not doing the band anyway.
Yeah.
We got the kid's name, and there's some imperfections in this. Maybe just hit a little bit.
Yeah.
Curing it out. It's gonna look awesome.
Really cool. All right. Get it go.
We're gonna roll. We're gonna check it out, and then we'll broom it up and sweep it off and hose it off, and you guys will see what the look, and we'll get a really good tight look on it. You'll see it. The exposed sand is what it does. It like etches about a 1/16 of the top off, probably, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And it exposes the sand.
Like a number 3 top cast.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
For the people who don't know, it's a sand sugar finish.
Yeah.
Basically. That's what it says. Let's
Sandblasting.
rock and roll.
Sandblasting OG.
Yeah,
Topcast. Topcast. Here, let me change it to that.
Ain't no point intended. Aren't you glad it's Friday? It's
Friday. Dude, I used to date that.
Yeah, we.
You forget what you told me. That's what I like about you.
Yeah. Her mom.
I could say you said anything and you won't remember.
I know, right?
I like it.
That's the COVID shit. Straight up my memory.
Yeah. Could COVID smoke your brain?
That or no sleep. I don't know.
I think the sleep, dude.
Yeah.
So how many jobs you sandblasting? 6 days a week?
I'll say 5, yeah.
Oh, you're kidding.
Saturday, Sunday, it's strictly music, but
Well, I hate to hit you, but Ryan's doing sandblasting.
What?
I hate to lay this shit on you.
Oh, you don't want a DJ service? Let me break out my turntable.
Yeah. So what do you use? You just use silica sand?
Number 30 silica.
Number 30, what else could you use? Like I heard eggshells and stuff.
Eggshells aren't gonna do anything.
No.
Walnut shells.
What do you use that for?
What?
What if you were gonna use eggshells or walnut shells?
Walnut shells?
What?
Cars.
Paint, yeah, paint
paint?
removal. So it doesn't warp the metal. It doesn't get as hot. The metal doesn't get as hot.
You can hit wood with that?
Walnut shell's not gonna do fine, soft wood maybe, but I do wood with 30 and 20 silica.
Oh, you
brings
still
out
use
the
this?
grain. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. All right.
Yeah. Plus they sell other stuff called green diamond or a nickel slag.
Dude, it looks bitchin' when you lay your form boards out and have them sandblast.
Yeah.
The form boards, it shows the grain.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then you build your deal when you strip the wall. It's
Yeah, poured in place wall.
Yeah.
You sandblast the wood, pour up against
Oh,
it,
that's pretty
pull
cool.
the form, and then you have like.
I've used
wood.
those form liners and stuff like that.
those are expensive. Sandblasting wood. So
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, I didn't like it. When I use the form liners
Oh, I
inside,
was gonna say
stripped
the wood looks. The
No, I've
sandblasted
seen the wood.
looks
I've
great.
seen the wood.
Um,
Sandblasted wood or concrete.
some people try to get away with just rough sawn lumber, but it looks all fuzzy.
furry,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
So when you strip it, it doesn't leave a good imprint.
So, hey, bro, how long is this gonna take?
Hour and a half.
Oh, that's what I guess. I got a date with
you
the
guess
beach.
that?
Yeah, I guess we are.
A date with the beach.
I am going to the beach.
That's a good day for the beach.
Yeah, right. Freaking The water's 70 right now.
Is it really?
Yeah, today it'll hit 70.
Man, I gotta start surfing again.
Yeah, go hit it like this tomorrow. It's gonna be 100.
Yeah, I know.
You're not blasting tomorrow, are you?
Tomorrow, what's tomorrow?
Saturday.
No. No, I've got a big house waiting. I'm doing stucco removal. It's half done right now. That's worse again. What am I saying? Can't even get off the couch after work.
Oh shit, dude. You gotta spin those records.
Huh? Yeah, spin the records.
This is gonna come out nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what? When I'm gonna sandblast, what I need to call you a week in advance? Should I do that?
Right now, yeah.
Yeah, I'll just call you a week in advance.
Yeah.
And then you'll call in a week, so it'll be 2 weeks.
Right.
So it'll be 2 weeks. So I got it.
Exactly. Dude, there's another one you referred to me though in Long Beach.
That's him.
No, another one. Like, is it the same one?
No, I don't know what they want.
He has I think a back patio and a entryway he wants to add on to
I
it.
don't remember.
Like this one's Lakewood, but there's another. I'll look in my text there. He said he was referred by you. West Coast Anthony.
Oh,
I think.
it's gotta be me.
Right.
They're gonna be putting. Check out this wall Ryan did.
Nice drop joints.
Pretty sweet, huh?
I do smoke
Quality
drink
work.
alcohol, and I think this is fucking.
Show him Ryan's wall, dude. Rhino Construction.
So you guys are competitors then if you're both
No
pumping.
competitors.
I don't have any because I don't
He's
really
next
work.
level.
Right. That's the way to do it.
I work when I want to.
I think
I'm
I
not
don't have any
competing, I just
competition because
cherry-pick
everybody
that one.
retired.
That one, I have no overhead. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to the beach either way.
I don't have no overhead either. Besides one payment.
Yeah, look at my overhead. A $3,000 truck and
That's a great
some
business.
sand.
That tells me you're making money.
Yeah. That's the way I like it.
That's what I see for you.
No employees, no new truck. I'm good.
You're just cruising.
Alright, what do I need? Earplugs?
Your mask?
Eh, probably not.
You're not wearing
I'm living life on the edge. No, see what I got.
So we'll check it out when we're all done. So Sean's hit the border. He hits around the perimeter first. And this is the finish here. We'll show the whole product, but he hits around the perimeter so he doesn't screw the edge up, and then he gangbusters. It goes to town. But that's what he'll do. He's done a couple squares. Take about an hour and a half, he said, to do the whole thing. What do you boys think? We got a whole crew.
It's gonna be bitching.
We got hose pullers. Me and Ryan and I are pulling the hose.
Go pull the hose, guys.
Fuck, dude, we could do that with our pinky. We've been dragging the fucking other one around.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
He's done it longer than me.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start pumping with that hose. Like if I could push a 3-inch
Yeah.
rock through it, I'm going
Yeah.
to try.
Don't leave the rock out.
No, I used to carry a heavier, bigger hose, and then I bought this diameter. I'm like, it's the same thing for me.
Yeah.
I know concrete would never flow through that, but yeah, I'm like, okay, lighter, cheaper. I'll go with that.
Yeah, right. You don't even feel this.
No, it doesn't like surge like a concrete hose.
Yeah.
Garnet hose.
No nitrogen bottle.
Yeah, and a hose like that lasts for 3-4 years, something like that.
That'd be good, dude, with sand going through it,
Yeah, I know.
scoring it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, 3-4 years I'll live on.
Let's go to the beach, man. Blast this bitch out.
Yeah, I'll create a beach here for you.
Sean's gonna take his shirt off, he said.
If you got the tassels.
We got a couple squares done. Check it out, Kristen.
He did this square and that square.
No problem.
Zoom up on this. This is a look. There's still sand on it. We didn't blow it off yet. But you're not going to get a better look than this. This is the wave of the future.
If you want to just kind of coordinate what it costs, so I can include it on
When
the-
this all bleaches
Yeah.
out, come over here, Kristen. When it all bleaches
I'll
out
send you,
and this all turns white
in general, like $1.20 a square foot.
With it curing out, it's gonna look just incredible.
we'll show it when it's blowing. I know you're blowing off and all this off.
Right,
Perfect.
Yeah, I mean,
And it actually took the curing out. See this right here, how dark it is? See how it's not bleached out over because it's in the shade?
When he sandblasted it, actually bleached it out and took it right out.
Yeah.
Show him that square. That was like these.
As you know, price.
It was like this ribbon here. And now it's all bleached out and sanded out.